And then there were 4. Mr. Frost, I come to you tonight as your mentor. I will be handing down your final life lesson. Let me start by saying this. You are the alpha of the wolves. You can easily go off on your own, but you need the wolves. Yes, you need the wolves to validate your success, your accolades, your monies, and your life. Without them, you're lost. They are your anchor, yet your lifeline. Or so you believe. Tonight is your come to Jesus moment soon as you step in the ring with me. Do you believe that your strength, your brawn, even that little cunning you have, is going to get over on me? You are a jack of all trades, but a master of none. And I am a master of mind. You are a dime a dozen in my little world. A planet of giants. I have beaten men far superior to you. And you think you're a Goliath? Well, this is the pebble that fells the giant. So we step into the ring, and you have a smirk on your face. I love that look. For I do too. But that's because I know something you don't. So I out-wrestle you. I don't try to brutalize you. I don't try to break you open. You do your damnedest to keep up with me. You can't. And you wonder why. He's older. He's smaller. But I'm better. And after I put you out with anesthesia, the world's fastest sleeper hold, and you do have quite a lengthy neck, I'll do to you what I did to your brethren. I will carve the number 4 right into your head, and it will bleed, and the blood will trickle into your eyes and your mouth. And when you awaken, you will have an epiphany. You will realize there are people in this world like me, that no matter how much money you have, all the resources you have built up, you can't use against me. It won't work. Your strength won't work. Then you realize maybe, just maybe, you're in the wrong profession. So you take all of your riches, you give it away. Your gold watch, give it away. Your beautiful cars, give it away. And you join the Peace Corps. And you helped the homeless. And you help third world countries. And you build houses that are no bigger than your house's master bedroom. And people love you. And you get to be the alpha male and live a rich life. And when people ask you about the 4 on your head, you will smile. and you will tell a fantastic tale that happens to be true. Another wolf down. And then there were 3. Lesson learned.